So friends, at the same time, Samsung has been making a mess of the One UI 7 rollout, keeping millions of fans and customers waiting for the update. The company has been working on One UI 8, and this year there isn't going to be a minor point update to One UI. Samsung will go straight from One UI 7 to One UI 8. Though based on our experience with an early version of the One UI 8 running on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Samsung may just have discussed 7.1 as 8.0, and One UI 8 is its current form is an incredibly small update for the most part. It seems the new features are simply those that Samsung could have released with One UI 7 but chosen not to, and the best example of that is addition of the now brief to the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and other flagship launched in 2024. Now, brief's underlining code already exists in the One UI 7, but only with One UI 8 will it become actually usable on all the devices. And One UI 8 also adds support for long video recording in the camera app, and this feature debuted on the Galaxy S25 series and is only available for the Galaxy S24 series with the One UI 7 update. And of course, there are some changes and improvements that are actually new. The quick share feature, which lets you share files with other Android devices, has received some love, and now the quick share menu is divided into two sections, and those are receive and send. By switching to the Receive tab, you can make the device temporarily visible to other devices and leave when you are done. This is a far better solution than the existing visibility option, which either let you have the device visible to everyone permanently or for 10 minutes at a time. The general user interface on One UI 8 is mostly the same as the One UI 7. The one change that stood out is in the quick setting panel, where some of the buttons are now shaded. However, this may be a bug as it wasn't present on one of the two Galaxy Z Flip 6 that we tested on One UI 8. Samsung is also updating the UI in some of its apps, but the changes are not substantial. For example, in the Gallery app, all the options that you get when tapping the menu button are now encircled, and that makes them more visually appealing, but the functionality remains the same. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.